Benefit of starting early. Two people, Jatin, aged 30, and Rohan, aged 40, start their SIP investment owe 10,000 per month. Jatin's total investment is 12 lakhs. Rohan's total investment is twice as much of 24 lakhs. Yet the value of their investment at age 60 with 15% interest rate stands at approximately 4.3 crore and approximately 1.32 crore respectively. Jatin stops investing at the age of 40. And Rohan stops at the age of 60. The value of investment for Jatin is 3 times more than Rohan's. It is simply a result of early investment. By investing early, you manifest your financial goals to become a reality. That goal could be anything, maybe buying a car or a house. The earlier you start, the closer you get to your financial goals. Call us to know more.